Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add a domain to Cloudflare in 2026. This guide is perfect for beginners, so even if you have zero technical knowledge and you're using Cloudflare for the first time, you can easily follow along. By the end of this video, your domain will be successfully connected to Cloudflare. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Cloudflare website. Log into your Cloudflare account using your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free by clicking on Sign Up and verifying your email. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Cloudflare dashboard. Now, click on the Add a Site or Add Domain option. Enter your domain name. Make sure you enter only the domain, like example.com, not www or https. After entering the domain name, click on Continue. Now, Cloudflare will ask you to choose a plan. For most beginners and small websites, the free plan is more than enough. Select the free plan and click Continue. Cloudflare will now scan your existing DNS records. This may take a few seconds. Once the scan is completed, you'll see a list of DNS records like A records, CNAME records, and MX records. Carefully review these records. If everything looks fine, click on Continue. Now, Cloudflare will show you two Cloudflare name servers. This step is very important. You need to replace your current domain name servers with these Cloudflare name servers. To do this, open a new tab and log in to your domain registrar. This could be GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, or any other provider. Find the name server settings for your domain. Delete the existing name servers and paste the two Cloudflare name servers exactly as shown. Save the changes. Now go back to the Cloudflare dashboard and click on Done, Check Name Servers. Cloudflare will now start checking your name server changes. It can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours, and in some cases up to 24 hours for the changes to fully apply. Once the name servers are updated, Cloudflare will automatically activate your domain. You'll see a confirmation message in your dashboard. After activation, your domain will be protected by Cloudflare features like DDoS protection, faster website loading, and basic security and performance improvements. And that's it. This is how you can add a domain to Cloudflare in 2026, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more simple and beginner-friendly tutorials, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.